Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about how to create a course inside of ClickFunnels. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, too, if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, make sure you go down to the description section to start your free trial today. And also, too, there's some really awesome resources in the description section, so make sure you check those out as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a course inside of ClickFunnels. And the first thing that you need to do is you need to add the courses app. And if you don't already have that installed, you're going to go over here to the left-hand side, click on this plus icon, click Add Apps, and then you're going to find the courses app right here. And then we're going to click Add App. And this is we're going to select our course type. So whether it's a single course, a simple one module course to get your members hooked on your content, a drip course, drip content out to customers over time, or custom, create your own custom course with specific settings. I'm just going to click on this simple course right here and then click next. Now this is where we're going to select course details. So we're able to upload a course image, a title, description, and then the course path right here. So I'm going to call this ClickFunnels Mastery. And then I'm going to click Next Step. And now it's creating my course. So now we have to select whether it's a free or paid course. For right now, I'm just going to select free course. And then it's going to take me to this screen right here. You'll also notice that over here under the app section that the courses app is listed. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of all the settings. It's just going to be super quick. So if we go up here to this settings icon right here, this is where we can select the title, description. You can send enrollment emails if you like to, and then the course file path. And then you could also select a theme, select an image. And then under here, under the customer center, you could either show it in the customer center. If you select yes, this course will be shown in the customer center. You can show it to non-members, enable lesson comments, and then you could also redirect to full course or generate completion certificates. Now, if we go over to advanced settings and click configure, this is where we can select a specific style for pages and modules. You could select a course home template and then a module lessons template and then a lesson page template as well. And then you could also generate a course share link. Okay, so we're going to discard these changes, then go right here. So right here we could edit the module. So this is where we could add the title, the description, edit the current path, and then you could also add a thumbnail image. And then right here, you could optionally add an upgrade URL if you're selling access to this part of the course separately. And then under advanced settings, similar thing, you could select a template page, and that's that. So by default, it's going to give you a module 1 and a lesson 1. If we click on add content, we could add a lesson or add a sub module. Then one thing that I do want to highlight is this under this customize section, you are able to enable advanced customization. So enabling advanced customization gives users full control over the look and feel of a course by utilizing a customizable theme. So if you enable it, you could choose a theme right here, and then you could also change the theme right here as well. So there's some marketplace themes, and then also too there's your specific themes under my themes. For right now, I'm just going to not enable this, and then we'll start creating our course. So we're going to go to the outline section. And this one, I'm going to edit the module 1, and then we'll say, so we'll put ClickFunnels 101, and then we're going to go down to the bottom, click Update Module. Then for the lesson, we're going to click these 3 dots, click Edit Lesson, and then it takes us right here. So this is very similar to the funnel editor inside ClickFunnels. So over here on the left side, we have the parent module, ClickFunnels 101, and then the title lesson 1. So we'll call this buying a domain in ClickFunnels. Then the description will say, this is how you buy a domain inside of ClickFunnels. And then here you could add a lesson image, a video, and audio file. Then down here is the domain and the current path. So if we go over here, we're going to add a new section. We're going to add a column. And then right here, if you populated the information right here, the title, description, lesson image, video, and audio file, you could bring those over. And this is dynamic. So we're going to do lesson name, description, and then we'll do lesson status. And then down here, I'm going to do video because I have a video in YouTube. So instead of doing the lesson video, I'm just going to do it right here. And then I'm going to click into the editor. And then I'm going to just grab that link right here and just paste it. And we're going to save and reload. And then we're going to click add content, add lesson. And then we're going to call this style guide overview. Then create the lesson. Then we're going to publish this. We're going to click edit lesson. And then we'll say this lesson is to give you a brief overview of the style guide. Then same thing, just can do add a new section, blank section, column. We'll do the name, description, and lesson status. And then we're going to go down here to video. And then this is where we're going to input the new link. Then click save and reload. So currently we have one module, ClickFunnels 101, and we have 2 lessons, buying a domain in ClickFunnels and then style guide overview. And one thing to note is you could create lesson templates here. So instead of clicking through each individual element, just like what I did for buying a domain in ClickFunnels and style guide overview, you could create that or set that template under the settings and then go to advanced settings, configure, and then go to lesson page templates. So just to keep that in mind. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this link, and this is our course right here. So we have our module, ClickFunnels Mastery. We have the first one, buying a domain in ClickFunnels, and then we could, the person could go through here, watch the video, and then once they're done, they could click mark complete. And then they could go to the second video. This is the style guide overview. And then they could do the same thing and click mark complete. So that's how you create a course inside ClickFunnels. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or book a call in the description section. I'd love to help you out.